Mira, mano, te hubiera hecho el café y todo para después. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tesa, or Tesa.mo on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Okay. I'm going to be getting ready and showing you guys, or telling you guys, the real reason why I wasn't invited to Cardi B's birthday bash. Okay, we all know that I am a tech photographer slash YouTuber here in Vegas, and no, I know
I was not invited to Cardi B's birthday extravaganza.
I'm about to spill all the tea on why I wasn't invited. Now, I do want to disclose that these are purely reasons why I think I was not invited, okay? And I don't know, maybe you guys can talk amongst yourself in the comments, like, whether you think I'm right or not, because it's just, like, so shady. Like, para que sepan, I'm hurt. Like, I really am. Like I'm hurt. To start, I already got my pawns on here, so y'all know that. Start with my eyes, because I am trying to do a very smoky look today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my LA Girl foundation, white foundation, which I use as a primer slash base for my eyes. And you can see that in my last video as to why I love this so much. How cute this look is. This is exactly what I would have worn if I did end up going. Reason number one, I don't feel like this is like that good of a reason. Like, I feel like this maybe has nothing to do with why I wasn't invited. But one of the reasons I'm thinking is because yes, like, I know that I have never actually met her or have any type of affiliation with her whatsoever personally at all. So that could be one of the reasons, but I don't think that's it. I don't think that's why. Number two, I noticed that everyone that was there was a rapper. Okay, a female rapper, some type of like A-list or B-list celebrity, okay? Obviously we know that clout isn't everything and fame isn't everything. I would consider myself like an Enya celebrity, an Enya list celebrity, simply because like I'm here. You know, you would be too. You would be upset too if you weren't invited. I mean, you look pretty fun. I'm gonna take my NYX Ultimate palette, the Bright palette. Let's go for green for money. Should we do green for money? Apply this with my shader brush into the crease area. Blend it all out. And I'm gonna go ahead and like build it up. I'm going to concentrate it on like the outer portions of my eye. And I'm gonna start by like kind of just building that color. Don't blend it out too much in the beginning because you don't want it to fade. You want it to be very, very bright. And again, that white base kind of helps with that. Green is para dinero. Let me know in the comments, like, what you've been up to. What are you doing? Now, if you haven't already seen by the title, this is going to be an outfit too, because I am going to show you guys what I would have worn too if Cardi wasn't being like fake to me. Another reason I think that maybe I wasn't invited was because I will admit I do only stream her music on Spotify. I do not buy her album. I didn't buy her album. In my defense, I haven't bought an album in so long. You definitely should buy your favorite artist's music. Actually buy it, you know, not just stream it. But I feel like streaming is very helpful. Like, I have Spotify Premium. Like, I've contributed to your millions. But anyways, now we have that applied. I'm gonna go ahead and take what's left over on the brush, which should be like not that much, and blend everything out here. Next, we're gonna go ahead and apply a brown liquid base. Apply it to my lid right here. If you have oily eyelids, I recommend setting it quickly with the color you want to use. It doesn't have to be like exactly the color that you're going to use. It just needs to be a darkish base so that it darkens it up, you know, like darkens up the look in general. It makes your life 1,000 times easier. Like, I would have made her life 1,000 times easier because I would have taken such great pictures of her. Would have done that for you, Cardi. You can see it looks kind of crazy right now, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Go in with my Oh, I think it's a package. It might be her. Package. I think it's her. I'm sorry, package, for not sending out the invitation to me. I'm gonna be taking my Tarte palette. Hello? Ya lo oí. Oí el timbre. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my eyelid and in with like a stiff brush. We're just trying to make the darkest bases possible. If you're messy, don't worry about it. This is easy looks we do here on this channel, okay? We do not take anything too seriously. Please don't take anything too seriously. If it's Cardi B's management that's watching this and you want to sue me, please don't. Bring it up a little bit, but start using like a lighter, slightly lighter hand up here when you start reaching the green. Yeah, just make sure it's nice and opaque down there, okay? See that? Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye now. So now I'm taking this angled shadow brush and I'm gonna be blending out that brown. You don't have to use an angled shadow brush. You just need to use any slightly fluffy but still somewhat dense brush so that you do get in there and push that product around. You can use that slightly brown color to help with the blending process as well. I'm probably gonna alternate one and the other. Their stiff fluffy brush to blend it out. Blend, blend, blend. You know, blending is your friend. So what I do to prevent going too high is I apply it slightly below my crease, and then once that is applied to like the lid area, then just slightly start blending and bringing it up. I'm going in with my Morphe M506 brush, which is a very tiny blending brush, and I'm gonna further blend that out. Again, like I said, blending is your friend for this look. Okay, because that green is only there for an effect, but it's not the actual like showstopper. Green one that we use at the beginning, and again, it barely has any product on it. It's just kind of stained green. We're gonna go in and we're gonna blend out these harsh lines with that green. You see how it's smoky like that? With just the subtleness of the green, that's what we want. Let me go ahead and do the other eye and we'll be right back. Okay, now I have that done. I have a full in-depth tutorial on my eyebrows, both my natural ones and the soap brows that I have. That I do sometimes. Today I'm not doing the soap brows because I don't really feel like dealing with it right now. I love this brow pomade. It stays put. A eyeliner brush, by the way, do is just brush them up. Like I said, I have a full tutorial on it, so I'm not gonna go too much into depth, but yeah, just fill those puppers in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation or base. Now that we got these eyes basically done, we're still gonna add a little pop in a second, but I'm gonna come back to that. And again, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, but this is actually in my shade color. And then I'm just gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer, which you guys know I always use. I'm gonna go in and bake with my cashmere sponge, which is just a microfiber sponge. Taking my air sponge. Okay, lashes are on now. I'm gonna wait a minute because I'm gonna go ahead and do that push up method to make them a little bit more elongated and open up my eyes. But look cute already. So my makeup is still on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour. For the in-depth contour of my nose, you can go ahead and watch this video up here. Showed y'all the magic that I do. Now I'm gonna go in back with that green color and just put it underneath my eyes, and then also go in with that black color again. And that is the full video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like I said, I don't know why she didn't invite me, but hopefully next year she'll do that and book me for nails. So guys, make sure you follow me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, I just wanted to say that this is all jokes, you guys. I am just playing. Maybe that's why she didn't invite me, because I play too much.